Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to unblock websites on your Chrome browser. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you open your Chrome browser. Go here, click on these three dots and go to settings. Click on privacy and security. Scroll down, click on security. Scroll down again and you're gonna find here, select DNS provider, make sure it's on Cloudflare. Once you've done this, go back to your home page and click again on these three dots. Go to extensions, make sure you click on manage extensions. Okay, so what you need to do here is disable every extension on your Chrome browser. I only have two here, you might have more than two. Make sure you disable all of them. This is how our problem is solved. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you think this video was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.